Listen to me. I know what you are thinking. You are entering retirement, or maybe you are already enjoying those hard-earned retirement years, and somebody tells you that you need to start banking on your cell phone. And right away, a little voice inside your head says, absolutely not. You spent 40 years working for every single dollar in your bank account. You saved, you sacrificed, you paid off your mortgage, you watched every penny, and the thought of putting your entire life savings inside a tiny piece of glass in your pocket terrifies you. You think, what if I press the wrong button? What if I accidentally send my money to a stranger? What if somebody hacks my phone and steals my retirement? I hear those fears every single day, and I want to tell you right now, your fears are valid, but staying stuck in fear is costing you your time, your convenience, and your peace of mind. You did not retire so you could waste your afternoon driving across town, standing in line at a branch, or sitting on hold just to see if your dividend or Social Security check posted. Taking control of your money means having immediate access to your money. And today, we are going to walk step by step through how to safely download and set up the BluPeak Credit Union mobile app on your phone so you are in complete control. First, let us get the app onto your device safely. Pick up your smartphone, whether you have an Apple iPhone or an Android phone like a Samsung. If you have an iPhone, look on your screen for a blue icon with a white letter A that says App Store. If you have an Android, look for a colorful triangle icon that says Google Play Store. Tap on that icon. Now, at the bottom or top of your screen, you will see a search bar with a magnifying glass. Tap inside that box and carefully type the exact words, BluPeak Credit Union. Press search. You will see a list of results. Look for the app titled BluPeak Credit Union with the official logo. Next to it, on an iPhone, you will see a button that says Get or a small cloud icon. On an Android, you will see a green button that says Install. Tap that button. Your phone may ask you to confirm with your password, your passcode, or your face. Let it download. It takes just a few seconds. Once it is downloaded, tap Open right there, or go to your main screen and tap the new BluPeak icon. When you open the app for the very first time, it is going to ask you to sign in. If you already have a username and password for BluPeak's online banking website, you use that exact same username and password here. If you have never set up online banking before, do not panic. Right on that front screen, you will see an option that says Enroll or Register. Tap it, and the app will guide you through verifying your membership details step by step. Now, here is where we address your safety, because security is non-negotiable. As you set up the app, it will ask if you want to turn on Face ID or fingerprint recognition. I want you to say yes to this. Using your face or thumbprint is actually far more secure than typing a password that someone could look over your shoulder and steal. Once you are inside, what can you actually do with this app that makes your life easier? Number 1, instant visibility. The moment you open the app, you see your balance. No guessing, no waiting for paper monthly statements in the mail that could get stolen out of your mailbox. You know where every dollar is, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Number 2, mobile check deposit. This feature alone is a game changer for retirees. If someone mails you a check, you do not have to drive to a branch. You tap check deposit inside the app. You sign the back of the check, right for mobile deposit only at BluPeak Credit Union right under your signature that protects you so nobody else can cash it, and you take a quick photo of the front and back using your phone camera. Boom! The deposit is done. Number 3, card management. Have you ever mislaid your wallet or purse and panicked thinking your debit card was stolen? Inside the BluPeak app, you can temporarily lock your card with one tap. If you find your card under the couch cushions 10 minutes later, you unlock it. You are in full control without having to call customer service or cancel your card in a panic. Now, listen to me very carefully because I want to give you Susie's golden rules for mobile security. First, never access your banking app while connected to public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop, hotel, or airport. Only use your mobile banking app on your secure home Wi-Fi network or using your regular phone cellular network. Second, BluPeak Credit Union will never call you, text you, or email you asking for your password or your full social security number. If anyone contacts you claiming to be from the credit union asking for your login information, hang up immediately. Third, turn on e-alerts inside the app settings. Set up text or push notifications so that whenever money leaves your account, your phone alerts you. That way, if there is ever fraudulent activity, you know instantly. Technology is not here to confuse you, it is here to serve you and give you financial freedom. Download the app today, take it one step at a time, and protect the wealth you worked a lifetime to build. You can do this.